time, species split to give rise to two daughter species, and each of those daughter species may or may not split to give rise to, again, two. And the result of this constant splitting of species is that there are perhaps 10 million species alive today, and there have been perhaps 1 billion species that have lived in history. It is a sobering and remarkable fact that if you take any two animals you like, say yourself and a hedgehog, there has to have been not only an ancestral species which split to give rise to our kind on the one hand and hedgehog kind on the other, plus a whole lot of other things as well, of course, but an actual individual common ancestor who was the shared most recent ancestor of all of us and all hedgehogs, and actually lots and lots of other things as well. We do the same thing with a human and an earthworm. There has to have been an individual who lived at a known, not a known time, an unknown but definite time. An individual who had two children, one of whom was destined to give rise to us, and the other of whom was destined to give rise to modern earthworms. The one who gave rise to us, of course, gave rise to all the vertebrates as well, plus sea urchins, sea anemones, sea squirts, and whatnot. And the one who gave rise to earthworms gave rise also to most of the other invertebrates. Think about that. It's a staggering thought that there was a single individual who was the most recent common ancestor of you and a lobster.